This is going to be a video tutorial on how to make the Microsoft Edge web browser your default web browser. I'll be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have the Microsoft Edge web browser opened up now. To make the Edge browser your default browser, first thing you want to do is go up to the three-dot hamburger menu in the upper right hand corner. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on that. Now in the pane off to the left hand side here, you want to click on Default Browser. And then right in this area here, make Microsoft Edge your default browser. I'm going to click on Make Default. And now Microsoft Edge is your default browser. Thanks for watching.